get to?
Suede. What does that have to do with horse?
I have five suede jackets and 4.
So
Get to?
Suede. What does that have to do with horse?
I have 5 suede jackets and 4.
So you are all, I heard that you are like a Renaissance man, or like a polymathematician. You are also an accomplished horseman. You rode horses professionally.
We don't need. Yes, I have suede jackets. Is that your question? Is that what you're trying to get
on the
to?
Dr. Phil show. Suede. What does that have to do with horses?
I have 5 suede jackets and 4. Right, my dog Chili dog.
Dog's name is okay.
You're doing deep Chili dog. Right, my dog Chili dog. He's a dog, so I call him Chili Dog.
On the Dr. Phil show, you give us story.
Please don't on his back. Don't evaluate this before it's over with. This is we're not like it's not a tell. That would just I don't know if that was the cocaine or what, but it felt pretty good.
On the Dr. Phil show, how you give us story and you think good it was.
Look, if I told you how good it felt, we'd have to stop this interview. Right, my dog Chili Dog.
The dog's name is Chili.
Real good.
Cocaine. Off of a dog.
Right, my dog Chili Dog.
Did you say, I heard so